Hi, good morning. My name is Jaime, and today I would like to continue explaining something else about numbers. So, when we are talking about numbers, we do not have to add s or pluralize these words. We are just going to say something like 300. We are not going to say 300s. 3,000. We are not going to say 3,000s. 7 million. We do not have to say 7 millions. The same thing with billion. We have some exceptions. So how many people were at the concert? There were hundreds of people in it. So in this case, we pluralize this word and we use the preposition of because we don't have the exact number of people. We are saying that there were many people, hundreds of people. We do not have the specific number. It is why we have to use hundreds of. Let's look at the other one. I've talked to thousands of people in my life. You don't have the exact number of people you have talked to. So it is why you have to use thousands of, a lot of people. The other one, he's earned millions of dollars. That person does not have the exact number or quantity of money he has earned. Because of that, he is using millions of dollars. On the other hand, we also have some affirmative and negative commands, and we are going to use them especially to give orders. Something like this. Please stand up. Please sit down. Please go to the school. Please look at me. Please circle your name. Please write number 5. So in this case, we are giving instructions. We are giving imperative commands. The only thing that we have to use is verbs. Go to the store. Come early. Close the book. And when we want to give negative commands, we have to use the word don't. Don't stand up. Don't close the door. Don't smoke here. We can use it in a separate way. Do not do it. Do not smoke in the classroom. Do not eat in the lab. Do not speak during the test. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.